In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps on how to reinstall keyboard driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first method that you can do is, at the start icon, please make a right click and then scroll up and click on the device manager. So here, a new window will appear like this, which is your device manager. Please navigate to the keyboards and click on this forward arrow key and select your keyboard driver. So please make a right click and go with update driver. So there are 2 ways on how to reinstall your keyboard driver. You can reinstall it automatically or you can reinstall it manually. So please proceed with the first one. And in this way, you would be able to reinstall the keyboard driver. Okay, so another way, which is the second way, is that you can make a right click, go with update driver, select for this one, and let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Select your keyboard driver here, click on next, and the moment you click on next, you would be able to reinstall your keyboard driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So just have to wait until it would be done. Once done, you would be able to reinstall that. So let's move on to the third and last method, and that is here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Device Manager. So from here, you need to navigate to the keyboards again. Click on this forward arrow, select your keyboard driver, make a right click, and go with Uninstall Device. Yes, another way on how to reinstall your driver is that you need to uninstall, because the moment you restart your computer, please restart the computer. And once you have restarted it, you would be able to reinstall it here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.